So hi children, in that previous video we discussed up to 3 questions, no? So in this video we are going to discuss the questions from 4 onwards, okay? So let us say that fourth question, what they given. If tan theta plus pi by 3 plus tan theta plus 2 pi by 3 is equal to 3, then, okay, so that value we need to find out. So what they given ma here, tan theta plus tan theta plus pi by 3 plus tan theta plus 2 pi by 3, okay, which is equals to 3, okay. So here first tan theta as it is you have to write that tan theta plus, when you observe the second term here, this is in the form of tan of a plus b, and here also we can observe that tan of a plus b. So tan of a plus b formula, what is that ma? Tan of a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b whole by 1 minus tan a into tan b, okay. Use this formula here. So tan theta plus pi by 3, so tan a plus tan b whole by 1 minus tan a tan b plus, here also same, tan a plus tan b whole by 1 minus tan a tan b, which is equals to 3. Am I clear children here? Yes. So tan theta plus, first simplify this too. Here tan theta plus tan pi by 3. So tan theta plus tan pi by 3. So pi by 3 means 180 by 3, which is nothing but equals to 60 degrees. So tan 60 degrees. Clear children? Okay, whole by 1 minus tan theta into root 3. Okay, so which means here directly written, so tan 60 degrees into tan 60 degrees, okay, plus here tan theta plus, here this is 2 pi by 3, so which means here 2 into 180 by 3, 360s, 2 into 60 is equal to 120 degrees, so we can write this one as tan 120 degrees whole by 1 minus tan theta into tan 120 degrees, okay. So simplify this, which is equals to tan theta plus tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3. So tan theta plus tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3 whole by 1 minus tan 60 degrees means root 3 into tan theta. So root 3 tan theta. Am I clear to you? Okay. So plus tan theta plus tan theta plus tan 120 degrees. So tan 120 degrees, how we can write that? Tan 120 we can be written this one as 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. Shall we write like this? 180 minus 60. So 180 minus 60 means that is second quadrant, no? So in that second quadrant 180 minus theta. So tan is positive or negative? Tan is negative. So minus, here 180 is there means there is no change in the trigonometric ratio. So that is minus tan 60 degrees. Okay. So tan theta minus tan 60 degrees. So which is minus root 3. Understand ma? Tan 60 degrees means minus root 3 only, no? So tan 120 degrees is equal to minus root 3. So that one only I written here by 1 minus tan theta into, here also tan 120 is there, no? Which means here minus root 3. So minus into minus is a plus root 3. So 1 plus tan theta into root 3. Okay, which is equals to 3. Understand? So see here. Next, tan theta plus, take the LCM. So LCM of these two terms. So 1 minus root 3 tan theta, 1 plus root 3 tan theta. So here a plus b into a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square, root 3 whole square into tan square theta. Okay, which is equals to 3, and here tan theta plus root 3 plus tan theta into root 3. Okay, so just we have to take the cross multiplication ma. Tan theta plus root 3 into 1 plus root 3 tan theta. Okay, just we have to take the product of those two terms, as well as plus tan theta minus root 3 into 1 minus root 3 tan theta. 1 minus root 3 tan theta, which is equals to 3. So simplify this. Tan theta plus, here 1 into tan theta is tan theta. Okay, next plus root 3 tan theta into tan theta, that is root 3 tan square theta. Okay, next root 3 into 1 is plus root 3, plus root 3 into root 3 is 3 tan theta. Okay, plus here this is tan theta into 1 is equal to tan theta. Okay, next tan theta into minus root 3 tan theta means minus root 3 tan square theta. Okay, next minus root 3, and here minus into minus is plus, root 3 into root 3 is 3 tan theta. Okay, whole by 1 minus square and root gets cancelled, so 1 minus 3 tan square theta, which is equals to 3. Okay, so from this one any cancellations possible ma? Yes, root 3 tan square theta minus root 3 tan square theta, and plus root 3 minus root 3. Is there any other cancellations? Not there. So here 1 tan theta, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 tan theta is there. Okay, so which is equals to tan theta plus 8 tan theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, 1 minus 3 tan square theta, which is equals to 3. So after simplification this one we got it. So from this one here take that cross multiplication again. So tan theta into 1 minus 3 tan square theta plus 8 tan theta whole by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is equal to 3. So from this one tan theta into 1 is equal to tan theta minus 3 tan square theta into tan theta is equal to 3 tan cube theta plus 8 tan theta whole by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is equal to 3. So from this one here 8 tan theta plus tan theta is equal to 9 tan theta minus 3 tan cube theta whole by 1 minus 3 tan square theta, which is equals to 3. Okay, so from this step here, from the numerator here we can take that 3 as common. Okay, so if we taken 3 as common, the leftover 3 tan theta minus, already 3 we taken out now, so minus a tan cube theta whole by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is equal to 3. Okay, both sides also here we are having 3, so 3 and 3 gets cancelled, here 1 is there. Okay, and this is the formula of tan 3 theta. Okay, so tan 3 theta is equal to, what is that value? Tan 3 theta is equal to 1. So finally the answer is, if tan 3 theta is equal to 1, then tan theta plus tan theta plus pi by 3 plus tan theta plus 2 pi by 3 is equal to 3. Okay, so here condition they are asking when it is possible. So tan 3 theta is equal to 1, then only that condition satisfies. Understand? So this is that fourth question. Am I clear, children? Now we will see that fifth question. Yes, fifth question, see here what they given. If A is equal to tan 6 degrees into tan 42 degrees and B is equal to cot 66 degrees and cot 78 degrees. Okay. So see here. A is equal to tan 6 degrees, tan 42 degrees. Okay. And B is equal to cot 66 degrees, cot 78 degrees. Okay, actually these two are the given conditions, given values. Then here condition we need to find out A is equal to 2B or A is equal to B or B is equal to 2A or 3A is equal to 2B. Okay, which one is correct? We have to check that. So children, here first let us do that A by B. So A by B is equal to tan 6 degrees, tan 42 degrees. Okay, whole by cot 66 degrees, cot 78 degrees. Okay, so this one A by B is equal to tan 6 degrees into tan 42 degrees into cot 66. We can write this one as a tan 66 degrees and tan 78 degrees. Okay, now here we know that one condition, that is we know that tan theta into tan 60 minus theta into tan 60 plus theta, which is equals to tan 3 theta. We know this formula, right? So here let put theta is equal to 18 degrees. First I want to keep that 18 degrees. So theta is equal to 18. Then tan 18 degrees. Why? Because madam here 18 degrees you taken means here you will get that value. Okay, I will tell you that, listen. So tan 18 degrees and tan 60 minus 18 degrees into tan 60 degrees plus 18 degrees, which is equals to tan 3 into 18 degrees. Okay, now simplify this. Tan 18 degrees into tan 18 degrees into here tan 60 minus 18. 60 minus 18 is 42 degrees. So tan 42 degrees into tan 60 plus 18. So tan 78 degrees. Tan 78 degrees, which is equals to tan 18 3 is 54 degrees. So tan 54 degrees. This is equation number 1. Okay. So now here put theta is equals to 6. Theta is equal to 6 degrees. So here tan 6 degrees, tan 60 minus 6 degrees into tan 60 degrees plus 6 degrees, which is equals to tan 3x. So 3 into 6 degrees. Okay. So here tan 6 degrees into tan 60 minus 6 means 54 degrees into tan 60 plus 6 means tan 66 degrees, which is equals to tan 6 into 3 is equal to 18 degrees. Am I clear? So this is equation number 2. Now we have to multiply 1 and 2 equations. 1 and 2 equations. So in that first equation we have to multiply first and second LHS, which is equals to RHS. So here LHS is tan 18 degrees into tan 42 into tan 78 degrees. Okay, into here tan 6 degrees into tan 54 degrees into tan 66 degrees, which is equals to here RHS tan 54 into tan 18. So tan 54 degrees into tan 18 degrees. Okay, now here see that both sides also we are having some common terms, tan 18 degrees and here tan 18 degrees can be cancelled, and here tan 54 degrees, here also tan 54 degrees gets cancelled. So which is equals to the leftover tan 42 degrees into tan 78 degrees into tan 6 degrees into tan 66 degrees, which is equals to 1, which is equals to 1. So here in that question say that A is equal to 6 and 42 degrees there, no? So that's why here only 6 and 42 degrees keep here in that LHS side. So tan 6 degrees into tan 42 degrees, which is equals to 1 by the leftover everything is in multiplication, no? So that's why multiplication become as division. So tan 78 into tan 66. Tan 78 into tan 66 degrees. Okay, so from this one tan 6 degrees into tan 42 degrees is equal to 1 by tan theta, so which is cot theta. So cot 78 degrees into 1 by tan theta, so cot 66 degrees. Okay, so tan 6 tan 42 degrees is that the value of tan 6 and tan 42 is the value of A. Okay, which is equals to 78 and 66, cot 78 and cot 66. Okay, that is the value of B. So A is equal to B. Okay, so what is that condition ma here? The condition is A is equal to B, which means those two are equal. Those two conditions are equal. So which option is correct here? Option 2 is correct. Am I clear to you? Yes. So let us see that sixth question. Yes, sixth question, what is that ma here? Yes, tan 20 degrees plus 4 sin 20 degrees. Okay, so here tan 20 degrees we can write in terms of sin and cos, that is sin 20 degrees by cos 20 degrees plus 4 sin 20 degrees, which is equals to sin 20 degrees plus 4 sin 20 degrees into cos 20 degrees, cross multiplication, whole by cos 20 degrees. Okay ma, just I taken that LCM and I did that cross multiplication. So here sin 20 degrees plus here this one we can write it as 2 into 2 sin 20 degrees into cos 20 degrees whole by cos 20 degrees. Okay, so from this one here sin 20 degrees plus 2 into here 2 sin theta cos theta, which is equals to sin 2 theta. So sin 2 theta, at the place of theta here 20 is there. Okay, whole by cos 20 degrees. Understand? So from this one sin 20 degrees plus 2 into sin 40 degrees whole by cos 20 degrees. So here we can write this one as sin 20 degrees plus 2 into sin 40 degrees, we can write it as 60 minus 20 degrees. Yes, I know 60 minus 20 is equal to 40 whole by cos 20 degrees. Okay, now here sin 20 degrees, which is equals to sin 20 degrees plus 2 into sin 60 minus 20, that is in the form of sin of A minus B. So sin of A minus B formula is sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. Okay, whole by cos 20 degrees. Okay, so from this one sin 20 degrees plus 2 into here what is the value of sin 60 degrees ma? Sin 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into cos 20 value we don't know, so write as it is, minus cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2 into sin 20 degrees. Okay, whole by cos 20 degrees. Now sin 20 degrees plus, take the multiplication by 2 into root 3 by 2, which is equals to root 3 cos 20 degrees, and here minus 1 by 2 into 2 is minus sin 20 degrees, minus sin 20 degrees whole by cos 20 degrees. Okay ma? So here plus sin 20 and minus sin 20 gets cancelled. So here the leftover root 3 cos 20 degrees whole by cos 20 degrees. So here cos 20 and cos 20 gets cancelled, and finally the answer is root 3. What is that answer? The answer is root 3. So that option is there or not, see here? Yes, first option, that is root 3. Okay ma? So sixth question answer is option 1, that is root 3. Okay children, in this video we learned that 3 questions, those 3 are 4, 5, 6, and the leftover we have that 4 questions. Those 4 questions also we will discuss in that next video. Okay, thank you all.